how do you see the market volatility over the past 2 weeks? It looks like the value are taking over the growth ones. Yeah, so it's whenever the market pulls back significantly, what happens is lower risk stocks outperform, and that's all kind of surrounds the notion of beta that we talked about recently in class. And so beta means how volatile a company is, right? And so the beta of the index is usually 1, like the S&P 500 is 1, and really risky growth stocks have a beta above 1, meaning they're much more volatile. And so if the market goes up 1%, these stocks go up much more 1%. And if the market goes down 1%, these stocks go down much more than 1%. Generally speaking, growth investments have higher betas, and then value investments have lower betas, right? Not always, but in many cases. And when the market is selling off, people transition from growth, expensive stocks, to cheaper value stocks. Yeah. So, and I remember when I used to work in the hedge fund industry, I managed a lot of money for various hedge funds, including my own. What I would do is when the market was rolling over, meaning when it was pulling back significantly, I have to own stocks, but obviously I have to short a number of stocks. And typically when I used to manage money in hedge funds, I had to be plus or minus 20% long or short. And so when the market was doing very well, I would buy the high growth companies with high betas like Salesforce, ticker CRM, Amazon, ticker AMZN, et cetera. But when the market was pulling back significantly, those are the type of stocks that I wouldn't be long. But the ones I was long, or the ones I owned, were the ones that were less volatile, that had low betas and had high dividend yields. You know, things like Campbell's soup, et cetera, because soup is good food. No, because it doesn't matter if it's a recession or if the economy is doing well or not. People are still going to eat soup, for example. And the same thing with Verizon, ticker VZ. I haven't looked at it recently, but stocks like that have high dividend yields. And consumer staple stocks do quite well as well when the market's pulling back, meaning food companies. Yeah.